Research analyst and homemaker realize her goals.
I'm Sri Kumari Dalakya Patidar. I'm 25. I stay at Vasai in Mumbai. When I was about to get married, I thought of quitting off my job and take up something on my own. I wanted to be self-employed basically.
Sri Kumari is an enterprising 25-year-old. She's a freelance insurance advisor, an economics and business studies tutor, and until recently an equities market analyst, all rolled into one. But she hasn't had it easy. She's been the only earning member of her family since her father passed away 6 years ago. And though married to a successful software engineer today, Sri Kumari insists on financial independence.
Anyone can meet with any uncertainty at any point in time, but if you are independent, then there's nothing in the world that can stop you. You can go and reach whatever you want. Like, you'll not have to give in for anybody else's, thoughts or demands.
Meticulously honing her skills each day, Sri Kumari has a one-point agenda. She wants her hard-earned money to make more money.
Well, in a few moments from now, our experts will analyze Sri Kumari Dholakya's portfolio and take her through the rights and wrongs. But before that, let's go across to the Inquisition Chamber where Cyrus Brocha is standing by to help us understand Sri Kumari's story just that little bit better.
Thank you, Sumaira. Such a talented girl. Thank you so much. And let me first begin by wishing everybody happy Diwali. As you can see, we've got all these lovely diyas out here. And Sri Kumari ji, thank you so much for coming here. And Mami ji, thank you. Mami ji, बात क्या है कि we just saw this montage, एक video, उसमें we saw कि अपना समाज में एक परिवर्तन, एक बदलाव हो चुका है. And वो है कि males are cooking food at home and making food and dinner preparations. And women are investing and investing quite brightly, I might add, and wisely. तो आपको कैसे लगता है? What is happening?
वो तो उसको बचपन से ही कुछ ना नया नया करने का शौक ही था. कुछ भी नया देखेगी, वो सीखेगी, फिर छोड़ेगी.
But how did you find a man who can cook, and how come you don't cook?
It's not that I don't cook at all. Yeah, earlier I used to cook, but Maggie and sandwiches, that's
Maggie
it.
cooking and okay. So, and he doesn't feel bad. Your husband doesn't feel bad cooking and all that, and there's no stereotype problem.
Now he is very down to earth kind of person, and he was like, okay, you don't know, I'll teach you. And then gradually, now he doesn't enter the kitchen.
Now let's go back and talk a little bit about this fantastic portfolio of yours and how your life has changed. Very interesting things, but सबसे पहले एक line है, standing right before taking birth on the earth till you leave your body. This is what she says. After leaving your body, people will have to spend on the funeral. मतलब जन्म से death तक you have to keep spending, and after death also you have to keep spending.
And it's not janam se death tak. It's like even before your birth, once the mother comes to know she's pregnant, she starts visiting the doctor, gynecologist, and then her all other expenses starts incurring.
So only thing permanent in our life is bills. Not
it's the only thing that will keep on coming till the time even after you live.
And this taught you an important lesson.
Yeah.
Okay, let's quickly fast forward. Then, of course, by age of 19, you were suddenly on your own.
The day when I lost my father, it was the day there was a 360-degree, turn in my life. I was the eldest child in the family. I had to support. I never wanted to use any money that my father has left for my mom.
And then at the same time, these influences were there, which we discussed off camera. A book you read, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and how important was that?
Well, in that case, he's shown how people can have basically there are 4 ways of earning money, and any kind of business, anywhere you go in the world, any part of the world, there will be only these 4 ways, and you need to decide which ways you need to earn.
Let me tell you, only 4 ways of earning money. So if you've come up with 5 and 6, you're wasting your time. There are only 4 ways.
Yeah, you can eventually.
Raste hai life mein. We cannot take a 5th road, whatever happens. But then let's just fast forward as all this is happening, because we also had this Harshad Mehta scam in the 90s, which cost the family a lot because Yola had put a lot of money and investments in Harshad Mehta shares.
We personally have put some, my grandfather and my pa, they had put some money, but large amount of money was being put by one of my uncles, so that person, he lost everything, and that had a very adverse impact on my family. When I took a decision, like I want to go and make my fortune or career in the markets, everybody in the house, they were like,
मम्मी का रिएक्शन क्या थी? Because मम्मी जी, मैंने सुना, actually we have read कि आप बहुत कंजर्वेटिव है इसके बारे में, obviously because of हर्षद मेहता सिचुएशन.
हाँ, पहले तो मैंने ना बोला था उसको, लेकिन उसने सब रीजन बताया मेरे को.
फिर मेरे को हुई यार, बार बार बात सुन के यू जस्ट सेड गिव अप.
नहीं, वो रीजन बताती है, वो सही है। इसके लिए मैंने फिर हाँ बोला उसको।
So,
हाँ नहीं बोला था। एक मिनट
मैं फिर थोड़े से
please fight. We need it for viewership.
थोड़े में हाँ बोला था।
मैं
ज्यादा
partially
नहीं।
अगर ठीक
थोड़ा
है
सा
तो
हाँ
start
मतलब
करो।
20% हाँ कहा।
20 हाँ, and then she was like, okay, you want to get into the market, go through the way of mutual fund. You should not directly invest. And after 2-3 months, I again learned, and I again then approached her. See, Mama, I have very little saving. Can I get some of your? And I assure you, I'll give you back. So then I convinced her. Then she was like, okay, you start.
Okay, there's one very interesting line. I know we can't talk about everything, unfortunately. You're a very interesting person. But you've written a very interesting line. One day, if you become famous, I think you should keep this in your book ka title. Multiplying my earnings, there are only 3 ways to make fortune in India. Films, politics and markets. Okay, so markets definitely. What was films and what do you mean by politics? Mummy ji, aapka kya vichar hai? Would you have liked your daughter to be perhaps one day Home Minister of India? घर में खाना नहीं पका सकते बट होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया
पका सकती हूँ।
उस वक्त
कर सकते हैं सब,
उस वक्त।
जो सोचते हो सब कर सकते हो।
So you not lost faith in markets in spite of the
Yes.
fact कि Harshad Mehta scam, Ketan Parekh scam, all have affected the family personally and to very high levels.
Yes, it is.
You still have faith in markets and you still want to, and you still believe that one day the ship will come home with some great news.
Actually.
Uh-huh.
So because the thing is in the market you are independent. Whatever you'll be doing, you'll be doing it on the basis of your own research, and you'll be responsible for your own act in all of the fields.
The karma is
Sometimes
your own.
Yes.
Fair enough. We'll end with a few words on the Nepalese economy. How do you feel that's doing? Bangladesh, Mauritius, Rwanda. No interest in other markets. Must have a worldview. No, we're just kidding around. Shri, you've been very nice and you
Okay.
talk more than me. I've been warned to keep it quiet, otherwise no one will understand what we are saying because we both talk too much. Okay, thank you so much. But we have to go into a quick break. When we come back, we're going to learn some more and she's going to talk to experts. And Mummy ji, please.